So I'm going to share one of the poem. Um, like 3 years back, a friend's friend went to Cambodia, to Siem Reap, Cambodia, and she took a picture of a monk sitting near a pool in Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is like from 14th century. It's an amazing place. These ruins are amazing, worth watching, worth going there to visit. Usually it takes about 1.5 hours to visit this place. I spent about 6.5 hours because I just really wanted to absorb everything from there, whatever I could. The picture that she sent to me was of a monk, and I will show you this picture if you can see. This monk sitting next to this pool.
Yes.
So when I received this picture, I started writing a poem about him. And in this poem, I described that how this monk would be feeling living in these ruins. And and it was just, I wanted to feel. And when I was writing the poem, I was thinking, maybe I'll go there sometime. But then again, how many people go to Cambodia? People go to like Italy and France and London and everything. However, then about 2 months later, after writing this poem, I was invited to read my poetry in Singapore. And at that time, I made my trip to Malaysia, Vietnam, Singapore, and Cambodia. And this is the same exact place where I'm sitting. So let me tell you,
Amazing.
I had, well, upside down. I had such a such a weird feeling, and I had goosebumps just sitting there and thinking that how he must have felt. And I try to feel it. Believe me, it's amazing place. It's amazing place. I'm going to present this in Urdu first. इसका उन्वान है वीरानी की चीखें. किसी से कुछ नहीं कहता हूं मैं भी, और ये सब बेरंग दीवारें किसी से कुछ नहीं कहती. उदासी मेरे अंदर, मेरे अतराफ में कुछ ऐसी तारी है कि मैं जब अपने अंदर झांकता हूं, मुझे कुछ ऐसा लगता है मेरे अंदर की वीरानी की चीखें अब मेरे अतराफ के माहौल पर ऐसे असर अंदाज हैं जैसे इनको भी मेरे मानिंद बस खामोश रहना है. मुझे बाहर की दुनिया का न कोई इल्म है, बाहर की दुनिया का न कोई शख्स मुझको जानता होगा. यही बस मेरी, मैं इस वीरा खड्डर जैसी इमारत में मुक़य्यद हूं. यही बस मेरी दुनिया है, यहीं पर मुझको रहना है, यहीं पर मुझको मरना है. मेरे अंदर की वीरानी की चीखें मेरे अंदर दफ्न हैं. मुझको इन्हीं बेरंग दीवारों में एक दिन दफ्न होना है. I don't hear any response from, so I don't type.
Zabardast. Yes, mashallah, zabardast.
Yeah, I like to hear, so at least I can get involved with it.
बहुत उम्दा, बहुत उम्दा, जबरदस्त.
बहुत शुक्रिया Arshad, I can recognize your voice.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm trying to speak, but I don't know if you are listening.
I can hear.
Now we can hear that.
Nazia, I can hear.
Oh, okay, cool.
So,
what about me?
Mustaqim bhai, I can hear you.
Okay.
Oh, Bhabi, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
And you know, Irfan, I will just remind everybody that they can unmute themselves so that they can participate.
Oh yeah, you also can unmute. आपका mic mute पे है, तो उसको left side पे जो नीचे बटन उसको दबा दें ताकि बात कर सकें. There you go. अभी नहीं हुआ. So the translation is screams of loneliness. I don't say anything to anyone, nor these faded walls. The sadness of my insides have affected them all. When I peek inside myself, it seems that my loneliness screams. I have no knowledge. I have no knowledge of the world at all. No one knows me. I'm trapped in these walls. This is my world. This is my domain. These are the ruins where I have to remain. This is where I live. This is where I'll die. The screams of my loneliness are buried in my heart.
Wow.
I'll be buried in these ruins when I'll fall apart.
Wow. Great.
Wow.
Great. Very nice.
Wow, mashallah. Zabardast, sir.
The good thing is that when you read in Urdu, you get response in Urdu. When you
Yeah.
read in English, you get response in English.
I got goosebumps.
Thank you. Thank you. And believe me, those goosebumps I have felt when I was sitting there.
Yeah.
Anis, your